Does LLC expire? Yes, an LLC can expire, but it depends on how it was set up. Some states allow you to choose a specific duration for your LLC when filing the Articles of Organization. If you select a limited duration, the LLC will automatically expire when that time is reached unless renewed. Most LLCs today are formed with perpetual existence, meaning they do not expire unless the owners decide to dissolve them or the state administratively dissolves them. Administrative dissolution can happen if you fail to file annual reports, pay required fees, or keep your LLC in good standing. If an LLC does expire or is dissolved, it loses its liability protection and legal standing. To continue operating, you would need to reinstate or reform the business with the state. Zen Business can help you form an LLC with perpetual existence so you don't have to worry about expiration dates. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.